I already know what type of day it is. It's your girl Chelsea Afia. And today I'm doing something a little different. You already know what type of day it is. I'm doing my go-to glam look. Literally, it looks like an everyday look, but there are steps to it. Like just a little tad, just a tad. And it includes my highlighting and contour routine because I've been getting into that recently. It's just a regular ass highlight and contour, but there's steps to it to make it even look really chiseled and flawless and smoothless and easy to blend and all that. So yeah, I just want to say happy new year. Like, oh my lord, it's 2018 already. Like, let me tell you, 2017 was a year for me with trials and errors, heartbreaks, like everything and the whole nine. Like, I've learned so much in 2017 and I just can't wait to use my knowledge that God gave me, the wisdom to apply it in 2018. And I want to see what's in store for me because literally I want to be more focused on YouTube and me branching out in the beauty industry because, you know, later on, if YouTube don't work out and I still have my passion for makeup, I still want to be noticed. So yeah, but it's crazy. Like, it's crazy to see a whole year and step into a new year open-minded, fresh, and all that stuff. So yeah, let me stop talking, let me stop rambling. Let's just get on to the tutorial and see how I achieve all of this. Like, skin so flawless, smooth like a baby's bum. You already know. Okay, so we have a clean canvas on our face. I don't even have my brows done because I want to show you a little something. So I've been using a new brow product. This is BH Cosmetics Studio Brow Waterproof Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and oh my god, this has changed my life. You already know how it is. If you guys want a eyebrow routine and all that stuff, because I've been trying out different eye products and this is my go-to now. I'm not gonna change it for a while. Comment down below, you already know. So I'm just gonna do my brows off camera in 3, 2, 1. Okay, eyebrows are all complete. Yes. Now it's time for the face. Whenever I do my go-to glam look, I always start with my base first. You know, that's how I do it. And for primers, I use my AOA Wonder Skin Mattifying Primer around my T-zone area because that's where I get the most oiliness and the pores just be like on my face. And then for all over, I use my Wet n Wild photofocus face primer. This is like moisturizing in some way, but this primer for $1 is so freaking good. Like, it keeps my face matte. Like, if my nose is not slipping and sliding during the day, this is a good primer. Okay, so I just put this right here, and I also put it on my laugh lines to prevent less crease, like harsh creases and all that. Okay, so if you're oily, like all over, any oil areas, like, you know, my T-zone area, if you're oily too, around that area, powder before foundation is key. Just get your beauty blender. Beauty blender works best with it. Grab some of your powder and start dabbing at the areas that you get oily. So I just only put it around my T-zone and especially my creases. This really helps, like, trust me. Okay, now for foundation. Whenever I do my go-to look, I have to use these two foundations, especially together. I don't know why, like, every time when I take a picture, my face literally looks like baby skin. Like, I don't know how these two work together, but they do. I started using it because this one is too dark for my skin tone and this one's too light. So I was like, except for wasting it, let me just use it together. And it's been a dream. It's been a dream. So I'm using my Maybelline Better Skin, SuperStay Better Skin foundation in the shade 94 Almond, and also my L'Oreal True Match Blendable foundation in the shade so C90 Cool. I just grab the rest of the foundation on the brush and I start rolling it onto my face. I roll the brush onto my face. I don't pat it, I just roll it. Some people would pat it if they're using a brush first and then go back to the beauty blender to even it out. But if you're not using a beauty blender, if you are a brush type of gal like your girl, then rolling it onto your face is a faster and smoothless, flawless application. Oh my freaking gosh, I got oh my god, foundation on my brows. Yay. Also, another tip, if you notice that I didn't put so much foundation on my forehead, I only put like literally 2 dots. You don't want to put that much foundation on your forehead, especially if you're oily as well, because that's when the shine will come through and haunt you. So less foundation on your forehead will even give you a more smoother and flawless application. So that's a little tip right there, and especially if you are cream contouring around your forehead as well. So because there's gonna be more products on that area anyways. Okay, so like I said before, I am cream contouring and I like to use my black Opal True Color foundation stick in the shade Black Walnut. So I just put it around my cheekbones, forehead, jawline, under my lip, and my nose. Now for concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. I always use my Tarte Shape Tape for a go-to full coverage flawless look. I use Tan San and Deep. I apply Deep all over my face. I joke. I don't know why I said that. I apply it all around my under eyes. And then for Tan San, since it's like literally this is like the perfect yellow shade, but it's light. If Deep had like this undertone, I wouldn't be really using Tan San, but I love yellow under eyes. Like, so I just literally put a drop on top of Deep. Now time to set the concealer areas. I always use translucent powder or yellow powder. Today I'm using my Laura Mercier because you know I'm in that type of mood. And what I like about Laura is that, you know, she has a little tint of yellowness to it. So, you know, us darkies can use her, you know, to set our concealer. Not really our whole face though, but our concealer, she's the man. Everybody should know this trick, guys. Okay? Just gently apply yellow translucent powder on the sides of your nose. Let it sit for a little while. Yo, nose contour on a 10, on a thou. Now to set the rest of my face, I like to use a pressed powder. I use my Faces Cosmetics Dual Powder. You can only get this in Canada, like some European countries, so it's like MAC Studio Fix powder. So if you have that, you can use that. If you have a drugstore one like the Better Skin from Maybelline or the Fit Me, those ones are really good. But you know, this is my is it Pride and Trooper? Yeah, Pride and Trooper. So that's what I use. And since I let the translucent powder sit around my nose area, I just use my powder brush to dab in to the skin. To do bronzing and contouring, I'm using my Studio Pro contour palette from BH Cosmetics. And I basically just use like all of these 4 shades on the bottom. To bronze, I mainly use these 2 right here because I don't have my cream colored brow essential in the shade Auburn to contour. They don't want to bring it in stock. That's what I don't like about Shop Miss A. They will take forever to bring something back in stock. So, you know, I've just been waiting. But this will do because, you know, it was a little something. And to further contour, I'm just using the Lash shade from the palette. You know, chisel out my cheekbones and whatnot. I'm using my itty bitty little Morphe beauty sponge. Grabbing some of my translucent powder to further chisel out my cheeks. Because we want our cheekbones to be cut. Ooh, cut these hoes off. Especially since it's the new year. It's a mission. Okay, time for blush. Time for blush. I mixed 2 blushes. I am a shimmery blush type of girl. I can never ever use matte blushes. Like, I don't like it on my skin. It just looks so dull. So I literally use my Malibu Glitz. It's literally broken, so I have to hold it a certain way. My Malibu Glitz blush in the shade Coral and my Milani Big Blush in the shade Dolce Pink. It's highlight time. Yes, hunty. Okay, so I use 2 highlights, of course. I love to mix and match up everything. I use my AOA Woo Studio Wonder Bay Blush in the shade Bubbly and my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Crown of My Canopy. Yes, you already know. And how I apply my highlighter, I start with the center of my cheekbone, so I basically like smile a little bit, and then I blend it up to the end of my eye, so like my outer corner. All right, so we're done with the face. Now it's time for the eyes. I only put eyeliner and lashes. That's basically it. I don't know why I don't really, especially if like I only have like a minimum amount of time to, you know, get ready, like probably like within an hour. Eyelashes, liner, mascara, and I'm out the door. So yeah, I just use my NYC liquid eyeliner, and I don't like to do a dramatic wing whenever I don't have eyeshadow or I'm not doing anything to my eyes other than putting eyeliner on. Now for lashes, I'm using my Dodo lashes in the style D307. Oh my gosh, whenever I'm not doing no eye makeup, just only liner, these are my go-to lashes. Like as soon as I first apply these on, yo, I need to get more. Like I need to get more. Okay, time for lips. I'm using Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Peanut. I would usually use a lip liner, but I really don't know where it is. So hopefully it's not too light. And we are complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow all my social medias that will be down in the description. Yes. Hopefully you guys are starting your new year with a fresh start, open-minded, you already know, good intentions with yourself, but with the people surrounding you, good vibes out here, you already know. But you already know what type of day it is. It's your girl Chelsea Afia. Peace.